Hi, Josh from Speedy Towbars here. Today I'm going to take you through your post-installation towbar walkthrough. When we take you out to your vehicle, first we'll show you your PVC ball cover. Now this is a cover that once put on after your towing will protect you from the grease and dirt your towbar and your couple on the trailer will pick up. Next we'll show you your pin and clip to remove your towbar. Pull the R pin and the clip. This will allow you to slide your ball mount out so there's nothing protruding back past the edge of your vehicle. When you do have your ball mounts in, you can tighten it, securing it with your anti-rattle bolt. Now your anti-rattle bolt is only to be used when you are not towing. This is an accessory to stop unnecessary ball mount rattle when you're not towing a trailer. A little bit of a cheat code when it comes to your anti-rattle bolt is using your D-shackle over the head of the bolt. You can use it as a bit of a hand spanner to help you tighten it beyond finger tight. With your D-shackles, your trailer will come with 1 or 2 safety chains. If you have 1 safety chain, you can go to either D-shackle. However, if you have 2 safety chains, you do legally have to cross them over. With your trailer wiring, you'll see your trailer plug secured next to your towbar. Fold the lid down and you'll see that one pin is higher than the others. This is so that your plug can only be attached in one direction, so you can't short out your trailer or your vehicle. That right there is your post-installation walkthrough. If you would like that demoed again, or if you have any further questions, please feel free to give us a call.